Hello, everybody. It's what day is it? Thursday the 17th of January, and today's day 35.
Day 35 of the new build at the new KW build at Coolings.
So we're here at Coolings Garden Centre. So new Audubon build. They'll be going for 35 days. Started on the 1st of December.
We got in here, had a week off for Christmas and New Year because the garden centre shut. But here every 7 days a week until we finish now.
So and that's expected to be.
As we walk round, you'll see the shops in numerous sections. The dry goods section very soon, hopefully, and then the fish section will all be done open for the 1st of March.
Excellent, so not long away.
Not long.
Okay,
no.
So what we're going to do today is have a little wander around. We're going to go in what is the entrance to the new Audubon. So you're going to see it as though you come here and visit as a customer, and what it will be like, give you an idea what it will be like once it's complete. So if you come in through Coolings Garden Centre, this is the entranceway into the barn. Temporary sign at the moment. And now Keith will show us around.
Okay. Hello. Right, okay. Welcome to the new Knockholt barn at Coolings. As you can see, we're busy building, but we've made good progress in the 35 days and things are really starting to take shape now. As Mark's just said, this will be the main entrance into the shop. We've got a nice big counter area in front of you, and then the shop will be split into two distinct sections. The left will be dry goods, or the right as you walk down, and then on the opposite side we have our fish area, which is made up of two parts. Smaller ponds for fish ranging from sort of 10 to 12 cm up to 35 cm, and then our big main display room, which you'll probably have seen on Facebook with the big windows, which is made up of 3 ponds ranging just over 7,000 gallons and then a couple of 2,000 gallon ponds. And that will be for our higher quality show fish and also a selection of larger, bigger, cheaper fish. So something for everybody.
So fortunate timing today because these weren't here.
No,
until a few hours ago.
No, busy day today. These arrived this morning. Massive thank you to Bentley Koi Ponds who made these for us. Bit of a stressful night really with these because these are, as you can see, completely bespoke, made to measure. You'll see as you go around the shop, a lot of it's about wow factor, to get people interested, to get people interested in fish, interested in koi. So here we fall, nice big window on the front, so as you walk in, big window, and then something different I've not seen before, porthole window on the end, so as you're paying at the counter, massive small fish coming towards you. Again, hopefully youngsters, people will just see that, want something like that, and then we've got another fish keeper, another person back into the hobby of keeping fish, koi, and that's what we need.
And so tell us about the filtration system that's going on and how this is going to be running.
See, area that's not tiled, that's going to have a very similar tank to this, mirrored on the other side. Doesn't kick out as far, but it will have the window and will have the porthole. Both of these systems are linked, coming down to a single Nexus 320. Which will be filtered, which will filter both these systems, so 6 ponds in total. Water will return via a pump, 110 watt UV, and then return back to each pond via a above water return.
And this is going to be the automatic Nexus.
This is the automatic Nexus, which we will adjust as we learn on the sort of stocking density, how often we need it clean. Yeah, auto top up, purified water coming in from our main water supply. Here we will have, this is again delivered today by Denby, again bespoke made to measure to fit. One here, another one going here. These are about 1,200 gallons each. These will be used for jumbo tosai, high grade 30-35 cm koi. And yeah, just a good nice size pond, nice viewing position. These are both linked as these are to be filtered by Nexus 220 auto kit. 110 watt UV again, all on view, all on show, so we can use these to explain to our customers how the filtration is set up, how it works. Again, yeah, very nice.
And something we've spoken about earlier today whilst this was all being installed and we was having a coffee, an ideal sort of system for a new koi keeper.
Plug and play in many ways, someone can come along, this Nexus 220 is X amount, it's done. You've got, as you've done yourself recently, Mike, just need to create a base and you've got an instant pond, and then if you do get hooked at a later date, this will have a resale value. You can then go on and the well's your oyster.
Absolutely. Okay, let's have a look at some of the main room.
Okay, this is our main pond room. The ponds are obviously constructed as you would have seen. Cosmetic wise, we haven't really done a lot in here. We've been concentrating this side because we want this side of the shop open so that we've got a dry goods presence, because we are getting calls every day for people just wanting run-of-the-mill pond products. So the cosmetic part of this will all happen sort of end of January going into February. This is our main display pond. It's a massive window. This is 1.4 by 1.4 physical viewing area. A nice seating area here so you can sit down. Good photo opportunity. Big fish swimming behind you.
And the size of this pond?
Just over 7,000 gallons.
Okay. So again, for example, if someone's wowed by the 1,000-gallon fiberglass pond and they're moving on from that, they've got an example of something else they can see as a
exactly
premium pond.
And if that's a bit too big for them, a bit of a jump, we have two ponds here, both identical, bar the window. Front pond has again a very big window in it. These are just over 2,000 gallons. Nice, massive viewing window. This pond has been referred to by a few people as the fish tank because it literally, the panel makes it look like a giant fish tank.
So you can probably see, if we go upstairs, Keith, we can probably see these better and better viewing.
Upstairs, mind the room.
So there we go, the one on the left-hand side here, 7,000 gallons. The two smaller ones?
Just over 2,000 gallons each.
Okay, and what's going on here, filtration-wise?
Yeah, basically, if you can imagine where the lintels are at the back, that is where the filters will sit. The big pond is being filtered by two ORZ large compact drums. The two smaller ponds have one drum each on them, again ORZ large compact drums. The drums will sit on the lintels, so the walkway will literally be the top of the pond, so you'll be viewing the ponds, looking down into them with a balustrade either side.
So, as you can see, it's going to be a very impressive trio of ponds there by the look of things. So it'll be interesting to see those when they're up and running. You expect filling of these to start fairly soon, Keith?
Yeah, we've got some coping going on over the next few days, and then the gel coat's going to go on early next week. We can then start filling. Darren of Kaizen, with Bart, will be filling the filtration next week, while Andrew and myself and Mick are busy trying to get the dry goods shop up and running so we can hopefully open that next weekend. That's not this weekend, coming the following weekend, just to avoid any confusion. And yeah, then once these are filled, yeah, we've got the walkway to sort out, the balustrade to sort out, and the cladding. But yeah, we've got time. I'm very positive we'll be done well before schedule.
So this will be the dry goods area.
Yeah, it's a lovely bright area. Nice open space. We had some wonderful tiling done, which will add to the wowness of this all. This will all be racked out next week. We've got some dedicated display areas from EA, ORZ, Fatalis, Aquadistry. So it'll be very, very modern, very nice, and very welcoming. So yeah, it'll be superb.
And if we pass the way through here.
Yeah, excuse all the building material. This little area here, we want to do something special in here. We want to try and accommodate the koi keeper's plumbing needs. So we're going to literally wrap the walls out fully and try and stock as many of the most popular koi-related plumbing items that people need. So should you need anything, we have it in stock. People to come and collect or to be mailed out to you.
Okay, and if we pass all the way through, we go.
Yeah, we go all the way out. We do have an outside area. Okay, we've not even thought about this yet. This is February to March to get this done, but we're pretty much on it. The plan's there, so it should take shape very quickly. The area to the black lattice work is ours. We're looking at putting in a large pond here for feeding your fish. You can come down, pay £1, get some food and feed the fish, but could be something very special there, so I'm not going to say too much about it. It's
Okay.
an ongoing project. Our area also extends down here. These will all be moved very soon, and then we're going to have all our goldfish ponds along here, water gardening plants along here, water features, etc. So
it's kind of a bit of a move into general water gardening.
yeah, absolutely. Not
From the barn as being a hardcore koi place.
absolutely. We need to, and that's not all about the money aspect of it. It's to try and get people into the hobby. And I started with a little goldfish pond in my garden from a
Same
fish
here.
tank inside.
Absolutely.
So
Same
everyone's
here.
got to start somewhere. So and hopefully they start here, they move into there, and then move on to something like we've got in the big pond. So it's not going away from our roots of what the company's about. We're just trying to build the hobby back up and get more interest.
And I'm not sure if we're allowed to film out there really, but
Yeah, you're fine.
this is a rather enormous garden centre, which is the main site which the new water barn stands on, which has a very, very nice cafe. I can recommend it. So lots for people to see if they come down with their families as well. And Keith, so you're looking 1st of March to be up and running, and a couple of weeks after that,
Yeah,
there's
1st of
something-
March open, and then as you were saying, Mark, around the 2nd weekend of March. Full details will be posted very, very soon because we're in the process of finalising these for a big extravaganza open weekend. So please, if you're booking anything, keep the 2nd weekend in March free, because if you're into koi, it's going to be an event not to be missed.
Yeah, certainly. What we've spoken about is the sort of thing that hopefully we can get more of, and people always want this kind of thing in the UK, they say, and it never happens, so
Yeah, that's
should
the
be
idea.
quite exciting.
Yeah, it'll be very exciting.
Okay, great. Thank you very much, Keith.
Thank you, Mark, for taking the time to come down.